So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. Traders, my name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good and everything is working fine on your side. And of course, like always, everyone is ready to learn a new strategy. So traders, before we'll start, I just want to tell you one thing, that Olymptrade is used to conduct live sessions every now and then where we are trying to get in touch with our traders and trying to help them in their trading concerns. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you be part of the family, subscribe the channel. So whenever we will be coming live, of course, you will be getting a notification and you will be able to get in touch with us. So during these sessions, we are talking about different technical strategies, market news, market updates, just to help you in your trading concerns. So make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, and traders, we will hardly wait for 2 minutes and then we will kick off the session. And before proceeding ahead, I just want to tell you one thing, that the comment section is already active. So if you will be having any doubts, any question, any queries, everyone is most welcome. Feel free to drop your comments in the comment section. I will be taking care of everything. And along with that, before starting the session, before talking about the technicals, I just want a quick piece of information from your end. Please confirm me if my audio and video is completely clear, because I just want to make sure that everything is streamlined and there is nothing to be required to be fixed. So please give me a quick confirmation in the comment section. And also Brahmdev ji, hello. Hasib, hello. Omar Khan, hello, very warm welcome to each one of you. And if you have noticed, so the name of the strategy which we are going to talk about, that is triple rebound. So traders, the beauty of triple rebound is, like, if you don't want to use it as a strategy, if you want to use it individually, the oscillator which we are going to use today, that is going to help you a lot also. So that is completely fine if you want to use it individually. If you don't want to use it as a strategy, that you don't want to use 3 different frequencies. Guys, please confirm me if my audio video is clear, even though I have checked my own device, but still I just want a confirmation from your side. Okay, so I can see that so many traders have joined. Okay, Mohammed Salim, hello. Okay, I'm sad to know, Salim, that you are facing some losses. Kanu, for sure, Kanu, just stay connected. I will be guiding you that how you will be able to recover. Do not worry, Salim. I am here to help you. Okay, I know, I can see that it's a very big amount, but nothing to worry. Anything can be done if you are just moving into that specific direction with a strategy, with some some sort of planning. Okay, Roman Parveen, hello. Why some traders say that don't use this strategy in OTC? Brahmdev ji, this is completely up to you, that on which on which technical, on which asset you want to use it. Like, it is completely fine. You can use on anything. The set of rule is going to be remain same. Okay, Amit, Omar, thank you so much. So guys, let's, without wasting any time, thank you so much for the confirmation. Without wasting any time, let's kick off today's session. So again, let me introduce myself, everyone. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. Those who have joined my previous session, so I was also using the something similar which I am going to use today. So today I am going to use RSI oscillator. So let me introduce the strategy, so that will be more easy for you. And make sure you keep on commenting, keep on letting me keep on updating your doubts in the comment section. Of course, I will be helping you. For sure, Salim, nothing to worry. Don't feel disheartened. I am here to help you. I'm already okay. Can you just let me know if you are using any technical, any strategy, and do you have any analysis so far? Just let me know. Okay, so guys, without wasting any time, let's kick off this session. So let's talk about the strategy, friends. So before applying this strategy, all you just need to go on this button with the name of technical analysis. Once you go there, just go to the strategy part, start scrolling down, and the strategy which we are going to apply today, friends, that is triple rebound. These 3 lines, these are indicating that it's a expert level strategy, FT which means fixed time trading mode, FX which means forex mode. So this can be used for both of them. Okay, so once I'll click on the strategy, a new window is going to pop up. A small piece of introduction video is there. No need to spend your time here because I am here to help you. Then description is also there that it's a counter trend strategy. How it is going to work, I am going to tell you. 3 oscillators we are going to use. Oscillator is one, but we are going to use 3 different frequencies, friends. So that's why we are going to consider it as 3. So RSI 7, RSI 14 and RSI 21. Once I'll click on the enable strategy, and here we go. You can see that all the 3 frequencies are visible on my screen. So traders, those who are not on the expert level for now, understand one thing: no need to buy the strategy. This strategy can be applied manually as well. So for those who are thinking that no, this session is not for them because that strategy is locked for them and they have to spend something, it's a good news that you don't need to buy it. You don't need to spend even a single penny. I will be guiding you guys that how you can apply it manually. Okay, so stay connected traders. I will be guiding you with everything. Okay, so before moving ahead, let me introduce that how this can be applied manually. So all you just need to go to the technicals button. So as we know that we need RSI with 3 different frequencies. So I will just type RSI. There are 2. One is RSI and then second one is stochastic RSI. We need the simple one. Click on this. So see, by default the frequency I have got as 14, but I need 7, 21, 14, all 3. So one by one I will just start editing them. I will click on this, make it 7. You can change the color also. I will tell you that what is the reason of changing color. Don't click on close, remove, reset, just click on back. Again click on add more, go to RSI. So I have already applied 4, so we need 3. So one by one you can just apply all 3. And just a moment. So once you will be applying all 3 of them, just click on this button, these 3 dots, save strategy, next, and your strategy is ready to be used for free. Okay, so traders, I hope you understand that how to apply this strategy manually. Do not need to buy this strategy. Do not need to spend anything for that. Okay. And I have also informed you, or I have also suggested you to keep different colors, because that will be more easy for you to understand that which RSI is moving in which direction and how aggressively it is working. So let's do the same. Let's make 7 as green, 21 as red, and leave the 14 as blue one. Okay, so close it. So see, 7, 14 and 21. So now let's talk about that how this strategy works. It's very easy to use, very easy to understand also, nothing to worry about. And of course, traders, keep on dropping your comments. Please make sure we are talking about only the technical strategies, market news, market updates regarding concerns, because for your deposit and withdrawal concerns, support team is already there. And we only have max to max this 1 hour. So traders, make sure, considering that thing, we will be covering all the doubts regarding the trading. Okay, so RSI means relative strength index. How does it work? Let me introduce that one, then it will be more easy for you. Okay. So traders, if you focus on my screen, so in all 3 RSI, there is one thing common. These 3 levels, 70, 50, 30. Again, 70, 50, 30, 70, 50, 30. So what does these level means? So traders, if you want to, understand in a layman language, so we will be focusing on 70 and 30 in the beginning. So the 70 level is known as the overbought zone. Okay, the 30th one is known as the oversold zone. Traders, if you can't remember it, if you can't memorize it, that is completely fine. Just understand that what is the purpose of that one. But in case in future, if you are going to join any session, and if you want to know about that which one is overbought zone, if oversold zone, if somebody is saying that once the market will be in overbought or in oversold, once the price correction will be there, you can take a trade. So just to memorize it, I can give you a random idea also. So overbought is ending with the T, so the top zone. Oversold is ending with the D, so the down one. Okay, so whenever the market will move, which I mean to say, whenever any of these RSI, like these line, these frequencies will move, either they will be intersecting this level from the top, like let me show you, like this one. So whenever the market will intersect this level, 70 level, and this line will intersect and move into the upward direction, or vice versa, like this one. Whenever such situations will be there, then we can assume that there can be a price correction, and there might be a price correction. So market will change the trend. Market will change the direction. So as we have already read about that it's a counter trend strategy. So in this one, we are not going to follow the trend. We are going to wait for the trend reversal, and once the reversal will be there, then we will be opening our position. Still, if you have any doubt, nothing to worry, just drop your comment. Of course, I am here to guide you. Let me explain it again. So whenever you will find that any of these two are going in this level, like they are crossing this red level, this 70 level, this overbought level, so then after some time we can assume, or then we can predict that there might be some price correction. Price correction means if the market is keep on going upward, so market will change the direction and start moving into the downward direction. Vice versa, if the market is keep on moving downward, so traders, price correction means market can change the direction and market will start moving into the upward direction. So whenever you will be finding this situation, of course we will be opening a position. Whenever we will be opening a position, and then we will wait for the result. For this strategy, minimum suggested time frame is for the chart time frame is 1 minute. Trade can be taken for 2 to 3 candles. If your chart your chart time frame is less than 5 minutes or less than 10 minutes, then 2 to 3 candles can be considered. But if you have increased the chart time frame to 5 minutes, then I believe 2 candles should be enough. But in case if you're not able to grab a hold on that one, you can keep on changing your trade time frame. So far, traders, if anyone is having any doubt, please drop in the comment section. I will be coming to your comments also, nothing to worry. Before coming to that, I just want to kick off the live action. I just want to start the trading, so that we will be having the time to conversate also. Okay, and also traders, one more thing, there are no such strategies which will be promising you 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, you should not be investing everything in a single trade. You should also focus on one thing, that you should also consider your money management and risk management along with you. Okay, don't think that I have a new strategy, I will be covering all the negative results I have made in the past, and I will be recovering everything and I will become all clear. No, you have to have patience, and you need to invest some time also. Trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. Okay, so the set of rule is going to remain same, whether you are going to use it for 5 minute or for 2 minute chart time frame. No need to make any such changes. Like all, we will be waiting for the intersection at least of these two, like 7 and 14. Why will we might not be getting enough signals from 21? Because the higher the frequency, the slower the movement of that RSI would be. So as we can observe that the market is in the overbought zone in 7 and in 14, both of them. So once there will be price correction, so once these two lines, this purple or the blue one or this green one, these both the lines will intersect this 70 level, we will open a position for 2 minutes at least in the downward direction. That is the reason that I haven't changed the asset so far. So I'm just waiting for the price correction. And One more thing, traders, those who don't think that those who think that I don't want to use such strategies, just for at least quick overview, because what most of the traders making a mistake. So if a random trader will get into the market and he will notice that okay, the market is keep on moving into the upward direction, and if they are entering on this candle, so what mostly traders are doing, let's open a position in the upward direction, and after some time you might find that there is a price correction, so market start moving into the downward direction. Then you will think that why it is happening. From a very long time market is keep on moving upward, but when I just took the trade, market started moving downward. So this is something fishy. No, nothing is fishy. The thing is that market is already in the overbought zone, so price correction was already expected. It's not 100% sure, but price correction can be there. So considering that thing, rather than following the same trend, we will wait for the price correction, which mean to say once the trend will change the direction. So rather than keep on moving upward, once the market will start moving downward, then we will be opening it. Now as I can see that now the consolidation is keep on happening, the market is moving into the flat direction. We will wait for at least this candle. So if we will be getting any confirmation, we will open a trade in the downward direction. Otherwise we will start shuffling our cards. We will start shuffling the assets. But still traders, so far if you have any doubt, comment section is there. I am just about to come there. I am about to talk about all your concerns, so feel free to drop your doubts in there. Okay, so let's change the asset. Rather than wasting time on a single asset, we should keep on moving to the another assets, and that is the best which I can suggest you traders. Because see, sometime what we are doing, so we just stick to one asset. We are just keep on bugging the same door just with that hope that some profit will come out. But there are two things: either you will be wasting your time, or you might be getting frustrated and you will be opening a trade on a semi-generated or which we call a false signal. So that is a reason that we are also suggesting, do not stay stuck to a single asset. Keep on shuffling your cards rather than trying to take trades on 93% profitability. You can pick an asset which is having profitability 80 or more than 80, or at least more than what we call 85%. So let's select couple of assets with high profitability. Let's take some indexes also. Some OTC we have already selected. Should we okay, so this one is already there. OTC is there. Okay, I think we have enough now. Let's take at least 2 currency pairs also. Okay, so now let's open our favorite. So we will keep on shuffling the cards. We will keep on looking forward for the signal. Once we initially in the beginning traders, we will be focusing on overbought and oversold zone. After some time, when we will be having a hold on the strategy, then what we will be doing, we will try to take trades on the basis of this 50 level also. So then this will act as a support or resistance. We will try to talk about that also, but initially we will be working on the basics only. We will not try to make some new calculations or make some new set of rules. Let's stick to the basics. Okay, even though traders, we missed this opportunity, but you can observe. So what exactly happened? Market move into the overbought zone in both the RSIs. Even though market was stuck here also for a couple of candles, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So there was a consolidation in the market, but after some time price correction started, and you can observe market started moving into the downward direction. So counter trend for this market is the downward trend. So again we can observe the same. So market is moving into the downward direction. We were supposed to open a trade for at least 2 candles. So if we would have opened the position on this candle, because on this candle the intersection was completed, so of course we can see that that was a clear and clean win. This strategy, you might be observing that it is a bit slow. I can completely understand, and I can completely agree with you. But I'm also suggesting one thing, that rather than taking negative trades, it's completely fine that take a bit, a few lesser trade, like you can reduce the number of trades, that is completely fine, but at least you should be having a good success rate. I know we have been waiting for the signal from a very long time. We are keep on shuffling our cards, but traders understand one more thing: US market is about to open, so we should be taking care of that thing also. We should be considering that fact as well. Okay, so market on stable tick index is already in the oversold zone. So let's see, once there will be some price correction. Okay, so if I'll try to observe the market is also in the support zone. Support level is there. So of course, if the market will get stuck in this one, or the market will bounce back, we can open a trade on the basis of this also. If the market will be able to breach this level, then we can try to follow that one. So that's how we can use different set of rules along with the single strategy. And again, I am repeating myself, if you don't want to use strategies, if you are not that much comfortable with that one, at least apply RSI with 7 or 14, so that you will be having a focus, or you will be having a hold on the overbought zone and oversold zone. So you will not be making those mistakes which most of the traders are doing. So the market is in the upward direction from a very long time, why not to take the opportunity? No, sometimes there are some opportunities which are not good for you, which you should be letting go. Okay, so as we can see that market got stuck in this level and market bounced back. Okay, so even though I am a bit late, I was supposed to open the position on this level, but let's see if we will be able to succeed in this, because it's been a long time that we were not able to open any single trade. So we have opened our first trade. And of course, traders, one more thing before taking further trades, let me give you some more required and very important information. First one, it's a financial market. Partially and fully capital loss is possible. Like there is always possibility of that. Considering that thing, please focus on your skill set also. Do not focus only on the investing money, also invest time to learn the strategies, learn the technicals, so you will be having a good hold on the market. So learn it first. Second thing, all the trades which I am going to take during this session, I am the one who will be responsible for all the results which I am going to make. That is going to be depending on my strategy, my skill set, the way I am trading from a long time. Third and the most important thing, even though this session is live, I am talking live to you guys, but there is one more thing which you need to be focused on, that there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility, traders, that the trade which I am going to open right away, that will be visible to you after 30 seconds or 1 minute. So please avoid copy trading, because that can lead to some negative results. In the meantime, stay focused on the strategy, learn the strategy, because once you will be having a hold on that, traders, only then you will be able to trade further even after the session, because this session is hardly for next 35 minutes, but you have to trade after that also. So understand that thing. Focus on the learning part, focus on grabbing the strategy, not the opportunity. Okay, so we have taken one trade. Okay, I was also thinking that the trade will go negative. Let me see. Okay, so we were supposed to open the trade somewhere on this level. If we would have opened the trade on this at the beginning of this candle, the trade might go positive, but we were already late, so of course I was expecting this result. Nothing to worry. Okay, so let's move to the another signal. I will be opening at least one more trade, and then I will be moving back to the comment section, guys. So please drop your comments in the comment section. Please drop your doubts in the comment section, traders. So whatever the doubts you will be having, of course I will be taking care of them. Okay, so only one RSI move into this direction. At least we will be waiting for at least two, because the more the confirmation we will be having, the merrier it will be. Okay, so market on Astro Index is already in the oversold zone. Let's see. Okay, so this time we will stay focused. Once we will be able to see the intersection of this line with the oversold zone, we will be opening a trade in the upward direction. Or we can do one thing. Let's do one thing. Let's open a trade with $20 but with the RFT. So if the trade will go negative, because market is already volatile, it's about to 7. So US market is about to open, so we can avoid this. Okay, so even though if I'll try to analyze, so there is a support level also. So market is trying to intersect this level, if it will be able to. Okay, so another opportunity we have tried to grab. So on Astro Composite Index, we have opened a trade for $20 with the help of RFT in the upward direction for 2 minutes. Let's see how this trade goes. If the trade will go positive, good to know. Otherwise, we will try to recover the previous funds. Okay, so let me take a couple of comments also. Okay, so where we have which smart RSI? Good, sir. Yes. Okay, so Kanuji is saying that he where we left the last. Okay, so Muhammad Salim, I just want to know that are you also using any technical, or you are just based on the candle patterns so far? Okay, Sheikh Sohail, hello Park Gaming, hello to everyone. Traders, I might not be greet each one of you because we are having shortage of timing, but very warm welcome and hello to everyone. Okay, so RS Gamer, I am new to the platform. RS, I'm glad to see that you are also investing time, you are also focusing on learning. It's good to know. Please make sure that you focus on that thing, you learn couple of things. After that, you can start investing your funds. Okay, yes, but okay, so Kanu, this is the biggest poison in the world of trading, over trading. Please try to avoid that. I can't find even a single trader who will state that okay, I have did some over trading and I have made some profits. Because over trading is something which is not going to tell you that what should what is the limit and where you should stop, and it will always lead to a round figure which will be all clean, like all zeros. I mean to say, it will wipe out your capital. So focus on that. Brahmdev, that is completely fine. You can use any smart RSI. So all the smart RSIs are for the different time frame of the trade. So you can use whichever you are comfortable with. I'll suggest in the beginning, don't go with the very short time duration, because shorter the time duration, higher the risk will be there. Okay, so guys, we managed to book one profit. Very nice. So we recovered. We lost $15. We recovered 17. So everything is streamlined. We are in the position where we have a $2 profit. So traders, that's how we are going to focus on. Sometime we are using some techniques like martingale. So we just double up the amount. It's good to know. It's good to see that when we double up the amount, and if the trade will go positive, of course we are going to recover the previous loss, plus we are going to make some profit. But traders, understand one thing: what if that trade will also go negative? So initially you faced a loss of $10. Now you double up the amount. Now again you faced a loss of $20. So now you are minus 13. So what I'll suggest, take a trade with $13. If the trade will go positive, of course you will be recovering the previous. But if the trade will go negative, still you will be having extra $7 in your bucket. That will help you to trade further. Because traders, understand one thing: the clear-cut rule of market, clear-cut rule of financial market, of trading is you will be able to make money only once you have money. And having money in your trading account, traders, that doesn't mean at all that you will keep on making deposit. That means that you will make one deposit, use your money management, use your risk management, and use it again and again. So rather than making deposits again and again, make one deposit and use it again and again. And when you will be using such practices, like if you are increasing your capital slowly and gradually, even though you are making profits or losses, so only then and there you will be able to grab it. If you need help with that also, just let me know. Okay, so I am assuming that there will be a signal sooner or later, so I'm just waiting for that. Okay, let's see if we will get any confirmation. I will just stay here on the same currency pair on OTC, or the market is getting stuck here. Let's rather than wasting time on single asset, let's shuffle it. Okay, so no signals, nothing to worry. Or we can do one thing, let's switch the chart time frame. Let's make it 30 second and trade time frame 1 minute, because the shorter the time duration, the number of signal might increase. But traders, this is not this is not something which I am going to suggest you until and unless you have a hold on the strategy. Get a hold on the strategy. Once you will be having a hold on that, then you can work on the chart time frame. But I suggest do not go less than 30 seconds. 1 minute is also fine. Okay, so this is a very nice opportunity, because in this one the market got stuck on this support level and market is bouncing back. But still I'm not going to open a trade. The reason behind trade is that there is a very small window, because this can be considered as a resistance level. So this type of market can be considered as a consolidation market. So I will be avoiding taking trades on that. Okay, so any signals on this one? No. Let's move to the another one. No signals so far. And on what basis I am saying that like it will take some time? The reason behind is, so until and unless any two of these three frequencies will move to either in the overbought zone, like above this 70 level, or below this 30 level, so then there will be a price correction and then we will be opening a position. So far there is a huge gap, so that is the reason that on that basis I am just keep on shuffling my cards. Okay, so let's have a look on the currency pairs. Let's have another currency pair we have selected. No, nothing so far. Let's move again. Okay, so very nice. On this one we can analyze that there can be a signal. Okay, so this time we will stay here, we will stay calm, we will not move to another asset. Let's see if the market will. Okay, let's take one trade for on the basis of 30-second chart, 1 minute trade time frame on Australian dollar USD OTC for $15. Let's see how it goes. If the trade will go positive, good to go, otherwise we will try different approach. Okay, so let me take some comments also. Okay, so I have a strategy like an analysis trend of market, and then if two candles against trend, then third candle will be in the side of trend. Ameji, see, I am not going to judge that, but I will be telling you only one thing, that if you are able to make profit, good to know. You can follow the same, because see, it's not sure that the strategy which is working for me, that will be working for you, of course, and that could be vice versa also. So traders, understand that thing also. But before coming to any conclusion, friends, understand one thing. At least minimum to minimum open 75 to 100 trades and then come to a conclusion. Now some of the traders will say, Kunal, if I will be losing 100 trades, then of course that is going to help affect my capital. Completely understood and completely agree with that. But understand one thing, you have a demo account also. So why don't you practice your strategy on demo? Okay, so Taju, it's been 11 days now, and I spoke to the helpline 5 days ago. They told me that the task has been credited. I should wait. Taju, I believe he mentioned something in the previous comments also. So sir, whatever your concern is, I request you just drop an email to the support team. They will look into that. If any update is there, of course they will be helping you with that one. But I'm sad to know that it's been already 11 days. I'm so sorry for that. Just get in touch with them. Bharamdev ji, as I have already mentioned, so each smart RSI is for the different time zones, like different trade time frame, chart time frame. So one is for 5-second chart time frame, 15-second candle, and it will keep on increasing. So it should also be depending on your trading style, that are you able to take a lot of risk, then you can go with the shortest time duration. But what I will suggest to each traders, before coming to any conclusion or before starting any strategy, I'll suggest go with the longer time duration, because the longer the time duration, the lesser the risk will be there. And in the meantime, how that is going to help you to use your capital for a longer duration. So just take an example. If you are taking trades with a 5 second, in 1 minute, minimum to minimum, you will be able to take 20 trades. Just assume 50% of that one. So you are taking 10 trades. Each trade you are investing $1. So there is a chance of losing $10 in 1 minute. In the meantime, if you are using a strategy on a longer time duration, so if you are opening a chart for 1 minute and opening a trade for 2 minutes, so $1 will be used within that time window. So of course you are going to save $9 more. I completely understand. The quicker the result will be there, quicker the profit will be there. Completely understood. Completely agree with that. But quicker the loss, the quicker the capital will be wiped out from your capital, from your account. So we need to focus on that also. As I have already told you, if you have money, only then you will be able to do it. Okay, so guys, please focus on that. Okay, so Aju is saying that his withdrawal is taking time. I'm so sorry, Aju. I request you, please connect with the support team. They will be guiding you with that. Okay, so Malik Ayan, hello. Mansoor Rajput, okay. Dirty Gaming, hello. RSI. So Archie Jaiswal, RSI means Relative Strength Index. In a normal layman language, that how this RSI is working. So whenever the market is moving in a specific direction, either it is moving into the upward direction or in the downward direction, so the market will move either in the overbought zone or in the oversold zone. So just to, like, we can consider it as a control the market or just to make it stable, so we can assume or we can predict that there can be some price corrections. So price corrections means there can be a reversal of trend. So if the market is keep on moving upwards, so now if you observe on this crypto composite index, these two RSIs are already in the overbought zone. So once the market will reverse itself, market will start moving into the downward. Let's see how the last trade. Okay, so we have taken three trades so far, 2 positive, 1 negative. Nice to see. Okay, let's wait for the another. Traders, see, understand, I completely understand that this strategy is a bit time consuming, but again I'm repeating myself, that is completely fine. Take less trade, but you should also focus on your accuracy. If you have joined my last session which I have conducted on Tuesday, so on in that one I was working on a challenge, so I was opening back-to-back trades. But the reason behind that I have invested a lot of time in on those strategies to get a hold on that. So that is the reason that once you will be also having a hold on the strategy, of course you will be able to follow the same. But in the beginning, I'll suggest focus on your capital, focus on your money management, focus on your risk management, and hold your capital, because there is an opportunity which you will be able to grab at early in the morning, like let's make it 9 a.m. or the second opportunity will come somewhere around 3 p.m. third will come at somewhere around 9 p.m. So from 9 a.m. to 3 to 9 or throughout the day, the only thing which will be helping you to grab that opportunity, that is your capital. So if you will be having a hold on that one, of course you will be able to make it. Okay, so Aju, I'm sad to see that you are facing some difficulties, but I request you, please connect with the support team. They will be guiding you with your concern. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so Brahmdev, I am sure that you are clear with your answer, but still if you have doubt, just let me know. Okay. Anime, sir, you know trade to Asia composite. Anime, it's not about that which asset I am trading. I can I am exploring all the assets, so wherever I will be getting any signals, of course I will be opening a trade. In the meantime, if any one of you is getting any signal, they can also drop me in the comment section. I will be trying to have a look on that traders, and I will be analyzing that. If that will be working, that will be in the movement, that will be in the favor, of course I will be using that one. But in case if that is not feasible, of course I'll let you know. I'll give you feedback that what things can be improved just to get a hold on that. Because traders, this is the opportunity when you can talk about your doubts, you can talk about your issues, difficulties with the tradings, with your technicals. And of course, again I'm repeating myself, this strategy, do not need to buy this strategy, this can be applied manually. Okay, so okay, so let me see where I have left. Okay, I'm so sorry traders, I have just refreshed the window, so some of the comments have moved into the upward direction. If I will be missing something, just drop copy paste it again. Okay, so Arman, hello sir. Arman, it's not like that the previous traders, they are getting 85% profitability and you are getting the 93%. So it is also depending on your level on the platform. So experts, they are getting up to 93, for the advanced up to 85, and that will be lesser for the starter. Zen said hi, I deposit 15 is deducted from my account. Crazy Love, please request to the connect to the support team. Just drop an email to support-hi@olymptrade.com. Brahmdevji, I request you, please do not spam your message, as you are keep on asking that which RSI is good giving accuracy. That is going to be depending on your skill set also. You need to get a hold on that one, because just imagine that I will be suggesting that go with a like 5-second chart time frame, and you will not be able to make profit. So I'll suggest you use each one of them one by one, open at least 20 or to 30 trades, then make a conclusion that on which one you are able to make a profit. Okay, I request you, please do not spam your message. I know that you have a concern, you want to talk about that one, but by doing that one, there will be some traders whose comment I will be missing. Okay. Okay, so hi Zain, show me. I see. Mohammed Salim, can you just tell? Can you clear your comment? Okay, so Vishpat tells Sumit is asking RSI setting. Okay, so all you just need to go with RSI 7, 21 and 14. Why I have changed the color? So if you will be applying it automatically, so all will be having the same color. Why I have changed the color? So that will be more easy for me to differentiate that which one is moving in on which pace. So this is the fastest one, middle one and the slowest one. Okay, so Nazir Shah, Nazir, please confirm, sir, investment. Of course, you have to make some investment, but if you are new to the platform, I'll suggest that you can start with your demo account. Once you will be having a hold on the strategies, once you will be having a hold on market, then you can make the real funds. Chandan Das, I am also waiting for some signal. I am also looking for some signals to take some trades, but unfortunately I am not able to grab anything. Let's see if we will be having any opportunity. Okay, so there was one opportunity we already missed. Let's have a look on the remaining cards. Again, one opportunity was there. Again, we have missed because I was just talking to, or I was just covering all the comments. Let's see if we can find anything. Okay, so very nice opportunity can be there. Let me analyze. Okay, so resistance level is there, market is stuck here. Let's see if the market will move into the downward direction, if this green will intersect this red level, this overbought zone. I will open another position in the downward direction. Okay, let's do one thing, take a RFT and open a position in the downward direction, because this signal is not complete enough. That was still in between. That is the reason that I have used a RFT. Okay, because I am also using a very short time duration. On stable index, we have opened a trade for $25. So I was supposed to make it 15, but by mistake I made it 215. Okay, so let me take some more comments. 15 Astro Index, how to get risk-free trades. So Brahmdev, whenever you will keep on moving ahead on your traders way, so you will be getting risk-free trades. Okay, so see traders, we can see that there is a price reversal, market moved into the upward direction, so this trade might go negative, but if market will breach this level, I will open another position in the upward direction, because I will be opening my next trade on the basis of this resistance level. this trade will go negative. See, that is the reason that I have used the RFT. Okay, so Whisper, I have already talked about that which RSI strategy settings you need to use. Still, if you have doubt, you can scroll the session back and you will be able to find it again. You can just start it from the beginning. Or let me tell you again. So RSI 7, 21 and 14. No need to buy the strategy, apply it manually and you are good to go. The name of the strategy which we are using today, that is triple rebound. Yes, anime. So the 7 is the lowest frequency, so that will move faster as compared to the other two. Okay, said hi sir, on which smart RSI, love from Kashmir. Junaid, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your warm welcome and thank you so much for your love. Okay, Amit, over trading and loss. Amit, I request you, please avoid over trading, because this is something where you will not be able to reach anywhere. Make a goal, then start moving into that direction, and also consider that your goal should not be only for one day. It should be at least for 7 days or 15 days or 1 month, then divide it by number of days, and then that should be a single day target. Reason behind, sometime I am talking to some traders, so they are stating, sir, I made a deposit of $100, I made it 200. Next day I made a deposit of $300, I have lost everything. But on the very next day again I made a deposit of 100 and made it 200. So all in all, if I'll check my P&L, I have traded for 3 days, so I have made profit on 2 days, so everything is working fine. No, traders, nothing is working fine. You book a profit of 200, you have lost 300, so you are minus 100. So considering that thing, you should also have a take profit and stop loss. With the help of that, you will be able to use your capital for a longer duration. If anybody needs help with the stop loss and take profit or setting up goal, just drop a comment. I will help you with that also. Lalit, I request you, please scroll back. You will be able to find everything. Joseph, please, I need help. Please, Joseph, tell me, what do you need? Like, what's the issue? What's your doubt? Okay, midlife crisis. Which RSI is this, please, sir? How come 3 RSI? Please, name of them. So all are the RSIs. All are having different frequencies. So once you will be applying one, rather than clicking on close, remove or reset, just click on back, then you will be able to apply the second one. Okay, so we need to focus on all 3. I use RSI MACD 161 EMA. See, midlife crisis, if you are able to make profit with that one, that is completely fine. The basic funda or the basic focus which I am using while using RSI, so I am focusing on overbought and oversold zone. Even though if I am using it for a shorter time duration or for a longer time duration, doesn't matter. So if I am focused on overbought and oversold zone and I am not trading during that time zone, during that window, so I can avoid some negative results, and whenever there will be some price correction, of course I will be taking a trade just to make some profits. And the same funda, the same oscillator is being used with one of the most aggressive strategy on the platform, which is smart RSI. In that also we are using RSI, and the fundam, like the basic, the set of rule is still same. We are just going to focus on overbought and oversold. Nawaz, see, 2 plus 2 is 4 for me, then that is going to be 4 for everyone. I mean to say that if any strategy is available on any different platform also, of course the set of rule is going to be same, so of course you can use it as it is. Okay, so the market is already in the overbought zone. I am just waiting once the market will change the direction. So okay, so resistance level is already breached, so I am just expecting for the price correction. Once this intersection will be there, I will be opening a position in the downward trade. And traders, one more thing, whenever you are using any strategy, it's not about only the triple rebound or the smart RSI or the Friday. Whatever the strategy you are using, you can follow one more thing. There are 3 more set of rules you can follow. The first one, always take trade in a trending market. As we know that trend is your friend, so we will be focusing on the trending market. We will not be taking trades in a consolidation market like this. Okay, second thing, Also focus on the market direction, like the formation of the candle. If the candle is quite heavy, like big body, small, big, then you can trust that candle. Third thing, also focus on support and resistance level. Support and resistance levels also, I mean to say, so whenever the market is moving into any specific direction, and if the market is getting stuck anywhere, like if the market, if I'll try to observe this one, so this is a very nice support level, resistance level. If I'll try to observe the resistance, support level, so the top one is resistance, the bottom one is the support level. So the more frequently the market will stuck there, the stronger that level will be. So we will be avoiding taking trades during that duration. Okay, so there was Amit asking for the trade results. So okay, so this trade was no profit, no loss. We have used RFT, so we have lost this trade so far, but we have used a RFT, so the amount is reversed. Brother, please reply me. Nawaz, as I have already mentioned, so we have conducted a lot of sessions in the past, so you can just explore the playlist. You will be getting a lot of information from there. Okay, but what candle patterns and liquidity? Umar, for this one I am using a Japanese candle. Okay, I'm gonna check for with 1 minute. Okay, let me see. I'm sure that I am quite late, but let's see. Let's have a look on which asset you are saying on AUD CAD. AUD CAD 80% profitability is there with 1 minute chart time frame. Nothing is there. If you have talked about this signal, so that was a very nice signal, but so far nothing is there in the pipeline. Okay, so please check Asian Composite. Pranjit, I'm so sorry guys if I have missed your comments, friends. I'm so sorry for that, but I have to check both the things. Okay, so hello to everyone. Candle pattern and liquidity. So Umair, you can go with the high profitability assets, and candle pattern is Japanese. Liquidity, like if you want to use that liquidity tool also, you can apply. How to be disciplined alone? FF, this is a very nice question. How to be disciplined? Tell yourself only one thing. If you want to be successful in anything, it's not only about trading, guys, it's about everything. If you want to be successful in anything, you have to be disciplined. So for that, you should have a set of rules. What should be the take profit, how much profit I will make and exit the market, and how much loss I will make in a day and I will exit the market. So if I am the one who will be deciding that how much I should make, then I should be the one who will be deciding that how much I should be losing in the day. By that I mean to say, take profit and stop loss. I don't have any experience about the trading. Joseph, it is completely fine. See, every professional was a fresher at a moment. Once you will start investing some time, then you will start getting to know about that. And that is the reason, if there is a trader who is fresher and those who want to avoid losses, so that is the reason that every now and then we are conducting these sessions. We are coming live just to help our traders. So make sure, traders, before winding up this session, before closing this session, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live, so you will be able to get in touch with us. And in the meantime, all the sessions, whatever we are conducting, we are going to keep it safe on the platform, save on the platform. So just go to the content playlist, whichever language you are comfortable with, because we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, Portuguese, Arabic, Thai, Spanish. So many languages are available. So whichever you are comfortable with, explore that playlist and then start moving. Because again, I am repeating one thing. Trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. Okay, hi, I have good indicator for MT4, good for Forex and Olymptrade live trading channel. Okay, I'm glad to know. But sir, I want to tell you one thing. So if you can apply any technical, any indicator, and if you can observe that there is a fluctuation on the basis of market news, market updates, so that platform is not a binary, that is a trading platform, same like ours. I am live. Okay, so let me see. Okay. So said hi. Tell your strategy. Okay. So traders, so far I'm so sorry we were not able to open much trades, but I believe that you have understood the strategy, how it works. So I request you, whatever the strategy you are learning from my channel or from any channel, I request you, please spend some time on your demo account. Please spend some time there, grab a hold on the strategy. Once you will be having a hold on the strategy, then you can take it to the live account. Do not go to a conclusion that you should directly take it to the live account. And if you are facing some like 5 to 7 negative results, that doesn't mean that this strategy is not good. There might be a possibility that you are missing something. Okay, so please focus on that thing as well. And traders, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for such an interactive session. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. I request you, please take care, stay safe, stay healthy, keep earning, keep learning, but you should be focusing on your learning path first. Okay, so we should make it like keep learning, keep earning. So thank you so much again, everyone. My name is Kunal Kapoor. This was your host. Thank you so much. Take care. Cheers.